Matplotlib versus Seaborn versus Plotly.
Python offers several powerful libraries for data visualization, each with distinct advantages and use cases.
Core overview.
Matplotlib is Python's original visualization library, offering complete control over plots with a more verbose syntax. It serves as the foundation for many other visualization tools. Seaborn builds on top of Matplotlib, providing high-level interfaces for statistical graphics with aesthetically pleasing defaults and built-in themes. Plotly focuses on interactive, web-based visualizations that can be embedded in applications, dashboards, and web pages with extensive hover information and zooming capabilities.
Ease of use.
Matplotlib requires more code to produce visually appealing plots. It offers granular control but demands deeper understanding of its object-oriented interface. This code creates a custom figure with 2 functions plotted, complete with labels, a title, and a legend. Seaborn simplifies statistical visualization with fewer lines of code. With just one function call, this creates an informative scatter plot with categorization by color. Plotly uses a different approach with a more object-based syntax. This code generates an interactive scatter plot that users can hover over for details.
Customization and control.
Matplotlib provides the most detailed control options. Nearly every aspect of a visualization can be modified, which is why it remains popular for scientific publications needing precise formatting. Seaborn offers good customization through themes and palettes, but sometimes requires falling back to Matplotlib for fine-grained adjustments. Plotly provides extensive customization through its layered API and attribute system, particularly for interactive elements like tooltips and click events.
Statistical visualization.
Matplotlib has basic statistical plotting capabilities, but requires additional code for complex statistical graphics. Seaborn shines here with built-in functions for visualizing distributions, displot, pplot, categorical relationships, boxplot, violin plot, regression, regplot, lumplot, and multivariate analysis, pair plot, heat map. Plotly has good statistical capabilities and includes statistical functions similar to Seaborn's with the added benefit of interactivity.
Interactive capabilities.
Matplotlib is primarily static, though limited interactivity is possible with widgets in Jupyter notebooks. Seaborn inherits Matplotlib's limited interactivity. Plotly features built-in interactivity as its primary advantage. Users can zoom, pan, select data points, and view detailed information on hover without additional code.
Performance and large datasets.
Matplotlib can handle moderate-sized datasets, but slows with very large data. Seaborn has similar performance limitations to Matplotlib since it's built on top of it. Plotly performs well with large datasets, especially when using its optimized Plotly Express interface, or Plotly Dash for dashboarding.
Integration with web and applications.
Matplotlib can be saved as static images for web use, but isn't designed for web integration. Seaborn shares Matplotlib's limitations for web applications. Plotly excels at web integration with JSON-based exports that work seamlessly in web applications. Its Dash framework enables the creation of interactive dashboards and applications.
Learning curve.
Matplotlib has a steeper learning curve due to its comprehensive, lower-level API. Seaborn is more accessible for beginners, especially those focused on statistical visualization. Plotly has a moderate learning curve, with its Express API being easier to learn than its more powerful Graph Objects API.
Community and documentation.
All three libraries have strong communities, but Matplotlib has the longest history and most extensive documentation. Seaborn and Plotly both have good documentation with plenty of examples, though Plotly's documentation particularly excels at showcasing interactive features.
When to choose each.
Choose Matplotlib when you need complete control over visualization details. You're creating publication quality static figures. You're working within a scientific computing ecosystem. Choose Seaborn when you need statistical visualizations quickly. You want attractive defaults without much code. Your work involves exploratory data analysis. Choose Plotly when interactivity is essential. You're building web dashboards or applications. You need to share interactive visualizations with non-technical users. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.